This is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use template on Microsoft Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! In Microsoft Word, templates are pre-designed documents that you or someone else creates to use as a pattern for a project. The template could be a business card, brochure, resume, presentation, the list goes on. Regardless of the purpose, template provide the design consistency that any organization or individual needs to look professional. In this video, I will show you how to use these templates. It's so simple. So first of all, how to open our Word, and you'll find on the first look there is an option like template on here that you can use. If you want to see more template, there is an option more template. You can just tap on that. So here's all the templates that you can use, like for calendar, for invitation, or maybe browser. Maybe for the example, you can choose this one. You can tap on the template that you want to use and click on create. Here you can just edit this template as you need. Like you can add your picture, you can edit for the text. It's so simple, right? After that, you can just save it or print it. So that is how to use templates on Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!